Install accessories into the track. Fix the door frame according to the video demonstration. The installation method on the other side of the track is the same. Put the pulley into the upper track. Splice the upper track. The assembly method on both sides is the same. Follow the video demonstration to drill holes in the door frame. The mounting holes on the left and right sides are in the same position. Pay attention to the position of the upper track opening. Put the assembled door frame in the appropriate position. Adjust door frame position with spirit level. Expand the left and right sides installation holes after adjusting the door frame position. Easier to drive screws. Keep the door frame horizontal when drilling. Drive screws, then fix the door leaf. Note that the upper track does not need to be enlarged the hole, just tighten the screws to fix it. Cover the screw holes with covers after fixing. Find the first door according to the label on the door leaf. Fasten the door leaf to the door frame. The hinges need to be aligned with the slots of the door frame and tightened with screws. The installation method for each hinge is the same. Install the second door after the first door is installed. Fasten the second door with hinges and secure it. After fixing the second door, install the upper and lower pulleys. Put the pulley hinge close to the slot and fix it. Pulleys are embedded in the track and installed. Install the third door after checking that the first and second doors can be used normally. The door panel connection and installation method is the same. All screw holes on the hinge need to be screwed. The third door also needs to install pulleys at the bottom. Finally, install the fourth door leaf to the door frame. Insert the lock cylinder into the door handle and install it into the door leaf. Screw in the door handle to secure it. When installing the door handle on the other side, loosen the upper and lower screws. Tighten the upper and lower screws. Install the door lock into the door leaf.